what's up everybody? Welcome back to our channel. Hey, if you're new here, please click that like and subscribe. And don't forget to hit that bell notification. This way you get notified every time I upload a video. Well, what's today all about? Well, I went shopping back at Advanblack again. Got a nice little box here, nice little package here. And what did we get? Well, we got bag liners and the Advanblack bag blades. And I'll show you guys that as we put it on. I'm going to do one side on camera, the other side off. But we're going to unbox this together and take a look. This is how it comes. These are the saddlebag liners. They give you all the Velcro. And these are the liners, which are really nice. They do have the Turkish whorehouse stitching, as I like to call it, and they are for left and right. This would be our right side, and this one would be the left. They give you all the Velcro to go on the inside. Tools needed for this is a pair of scissors. That's it, guys, just a pair of scissors. So let me get this open and get the Velcro in, and then we'll show you. All right, guys, I got all the Velcro in. Trust me, I go a little overboard with the Velcro all around the top, the front and back side, and then down on the bottom. You get plenty of Velcro. There's more than enough left here to do the other bag. So to put this in is quite simple. Nope. Yep, I'm over here now. These here fit right in to, it's usually a pain getting these in for the first time. And once you get them in and set, you know, they're perfect afterwards. So the way I usually do is I leave the bags on. I take off one bag support screw, I guess you want to call it. And just work your way around, getting it neat and even where it needs to be. These are a cut to fit, as you could see. And I'll do the other one here. And I usually work the inside wall, get that set, and then I'll work the rest of it. And these are quite simple to do, but I mean, they really make your I mean, yeah, they're only saddlebags, but you know, it really gives it that nice touch.
The extra flair.
Yeah. All right, as you can see, I got it in, and boy, it makes all the difference in the world. I have to still work out the wrinkles, but you know, all the difference in the world between that side and that side. I mean, that really sets the inside of your bags apart, but you're the only one that's going to see it, you and that special someone. And to me, and it's me, I like them. I think they're well worth the investment. So let me get the other side done, and then we'll get on to the lights. Okay guys, I've got the left side done. Now I'm going to do the right side. And I really think these turn signals that go on the bags from Advanblack are really nice, because not only do the back, they do the side as well. The first thing you need to do is prep your area with some rubbing alcohol, and it comes with the alcohol pads. And there's some 3M tape on the back that you're going to have to pull. And the way I do it is I will pull the back completely, and on the side is I will start it, I'm trying to, there we go, and fold it down like that. And I will line this up right along the side of the bag, and then pull out the rest of it, and you will see that it sticks really nice to the bag. And here, I'll show you. Look at that. That looks good. I think so. I could have gone with bag blades again, like I did on my Road Glide, but this being, you know, the Advanblack bags, the Advanblack fairing, and their levers, their easy clutch, their side covers, their bag liners, I wanted to stick with the Advanblack bag lights, and they really look good. I'm going to show you this again. Look how nice that flows alongside of here. And the major tool you're going to need for this is a pair of diagonal cutters. So now that we have that stuck, I'm going to sit there and, you know, make sure it's all adhered, which it is. Take off the zip tie, and we're going to put the wire keepers along here and then tie it in to the harness. Now, with this kit, it really isn't meant for Softails. It's meant for more of baggers, and they do have a Softail adapter, but it's not for my Softail. So I had to get a splitter like this one. I'll show you in a second, but this here, I'm all over the place today. This here gets stuck right to the side of the bag. And I'll show you where I stick that. I stick it right in here. I'll do one here. I'll do one right at the center of this bump, and then one right up here in between the screws. But I end up getting a splitter so I can split my signal all the way around. So once that one's stuck, and guys, yeah, I know Mrs. Dr. Harley's not here today. She's off with her girlfriend. Giggity, 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 giggity. So I'm finishing this up all by my lonesome. So I'm going to stick this one up inside the center of this bump. That's there to clear shocks. And then this last one, guys, these are great. I don't know if you ever used these before, but these are phenomenal. They got the 3M tape on the back, and they hold the wires really good. So again, I'm placing them in between the screws, right behind the latch. And now the zip ties to hold that wire in place. So drop the zip tie in, bring the wire, and I'm going to pull it tight. I don't like loose wires flapping around or anything like that, so that's what I do. What you do is what you do. What I do is what I do. And I will work my way to the front. Drop that zip tie in there. Now I put a zip tie in here first before I stuck it. This way it's easier. Trust me. It's a lot easier. You can remove these bags, but you don't have to. And yeah, it's only 2 screws. And they're thumb screws. They're not that big of a deal. So this bike's going to be on display down in Daytona during Bike Week at a couple of vendors, and that is to be announced. So make sure you watch my community tab to see where this is going to be on display so you could see it, or you could come to the Moto Meetup at the Cackleberry on March the 8th at 6 p.m. until whenever, and then you could see me, the bike, and everybody else that's going to show up. That's all part of social media. You don't have to have a channel. So it's basically an excuse to get together and have a good time. So what I'm doing now is I'm just trimming all the zip ties and making sure they are tight. There you go. That was nice and tight. I'm going to trim this last one. Bam! So here we go. Let me reposition the camera and then we're going to show you everything that's going on. So I do have an extra one here floating around, so if I ever do another some sort of turn signal, I can, but I don't think so. But I'm going to plug this right in here, and I'm going to neaten up all these wires. But here, let's take a look at that. And I'm going to turn them on. That looks good. I think it looks good. And from the side, and I'm going to hit that turn signal on the left. Now these are supposed to be sequential, but since I can't use their the module, these won't be sequential. They're just going to be flash, which I'm good with. So not only they run and turn, but they're also a brake. And they're going through the Custom Dynamics triple play to the pattern that I got set. So that's it for this video. Alright guys, if you like this video, like to see more content like this, go ahead, give me a like and subscribe. And don't forget to hit that bell notification. This way you get notified every time I upload a video. Alright, until the next one, you live the best life you can. Ride often and ride hard.
Like and subscribe.